Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga sikat na simbahan dito sa Vista Alabang, Daang Reina, Las Piñas. Ito yung simbahan na tinatawag na Brittany Palacio. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa harapan ng simbahan. Nandito pa tayo sa labas pero nakikita nyo naman ang ganda ng simbahan, ang lawak, ang linis at maraming mga halaman, maraming mga puno. Yung mga halaman nila ay mga naka-organize or mga naka-landscape. At ito, dito yata isinasakay yung mga bride or yung na mga kinakasal. Ang ganda, para ka ditong prinsesa at prinsipe. So ngayon naka-close siya kasi walang misa, walang event. Kaya naka-close siya, kaya hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok dun sa loob. Pero tingnan nyo naman, nandito pa lang tayo sa labas. Sobrang ganda na. Paano pa kaya kung pumasok tayo sa loob, guys? Sobrang ganda talaga. Wala na akong nasasabi kundi ang ganda. Paulit-ulit na lang kasi talagang ang ganda talaga, guys. At ito yung labas. Malawak yan, guys. At ito naman yung taas, nakuha natin ng drone. Sobrang ganda, and panoorin nyo na lang guys yung mga iba pa nating kuha sa taas. At ito nga, habang naglilibot-libot kami, eto si Wanwan naglalaro, nag-i-enjoy din siya dahil sobrang lawak ng kanyang tatakbuhan paglalaroan. So maya-maya lang dadami na ang mga tao dito kasi pahapon na siya, magpa 5 o'clock na. So makikita nyo kung nandito kayo kung saan-saan lang nakapwesto yung mga tao na gustong magtanggal ng stress, mag-relax at magmuni-muni. So dito guys, sobrang perfect talaga ng lugar na to. Kaya kung gusto nyong pumunta dito, ipuntahan nyo na at magdala kayo ng baon para mas lalo ninyong ma-enjoy yung lugar habang nagre-relax kayo. So ito yung ating mga kuha sa taas. So panoorin nyo guys. Enjoy!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I